Hey! Welcome to my first cooking video on this channel, and we're gonna make a vegan pad thai. Yes! It's gonna be delicious, amazing recipe that I do at least once a week because it's very simple, but it's also so delicious, and it has peanut butter, which I love, so I cannot resist it. I just simply can't, and I hope you will try the recipe and you won't resist it also too much. Okay, let's start. So for the fried veggies, we will start with spring onions and garlic, then we'll add the broccoli, and later we'll add also carrots and some smoked tofu. You can of course add the tofu before and fry it in oil or put it in the oven to crisp it up. But if you want a simple dish without extra fuss, just cut it into cubes and add it to the dish along with the carrots. For the sauce, we will add peanut butter, soy sauce, tamarind paste, lemon juice, and some agave syrup. We're gonna mix it up, and if it's too thick, we're gonna thin it with water. And one more thing, we're gonna need some rice noodles. And tamarind paste is something like this. I get both things at my local Asian store. I am very excited. It's my first cooking video on this channel. I hope you will like it. And I will do this recipe oil-free. If you're interested, you can of course add oil to fry the veggies, but I'm gonna do it oil-free for those who cannot eat oil or that want to avoid it. And I hope it works out. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start chopping the spring onions. I'm gonna separate the green part from the white part, kind of. This part's gonna stay for later. I'm gonna fry this part. Okay, I'm gonna start frying with water. I'm gonna set up the heat to max, and I'm gonna start with frying the spring onions and the garlic. If you want a detailed video for the oil-free cooking, I'm gonna post it in the next week's video. Today it's gonna be just a quick video, and we're gonna probably fast forward to the next steps. So like I said, first I added the stems because they are harder. Now I added the broccoli florets and the carrots. I'm gonna cover it. I reduced the heat to 3 and I'm gonna leave it for 5 more minutes. Remember to start boiling the water for the noodles now. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare the sauce for the pad thai. So in a bowl, I'm gonna add lemon juice first because that makes it easier if there are stones. Like in mine, I'm gonna take a small fork and I'm gonna fish them out much easier. Then I'm gonna add the peanut butter, soy sauce, agave syrup, and tamarind paste. I'm gonna mix it well as far as possible. Sauce is too thick, I'm gonna thin it with water. And that's gonna make it also a bit brighter, the color of it. So the water started boiling, so I'm adding my rice noodles and I'm gonna let them boil for around 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir around just to make sure that they are not sticking to each other. Cover them with a lid and let's finish the veggies. They should be almost done now. So our veggies are getting soft. I'm gonna add the cubes of the smoked tofu. I'm gonna give it a minute. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Stir it in. If you like, also add some chili flakes. The ones that I have are really spicy, so I will be very careful. But if that's what you like, go for it. So I just tasted the veggies. The carrots are getting soft and the broccoli as well, but they still have this crunch. I don't want it to cook much longer. I'm gonna wait for 1 minute. Then I'm gonna add the green part of the spring onions and I'm gonna turn down the heat. Basically, we're gonna wait now for the rice noodles to get cooked. Finished my pad thai and it was delicious. I really hope you would cook it too and you would enjoy it. If you did, please let me know in the comments what you think about the recipe. With this recipe I want to show that vegan food can be really delicious and really fast and simple and doesn't need crazy ingredients. Okay, I think that's it from today's video. I hope to see you next time and have a nice day.